Hi, I'm Marshall Clay. I am a junior at Reaching Potential through Manufacturing. So the Duck Award is for individuals or students who go above and beyond to fix situations, like the press machine. I noticed that the press machine wasn't pressing the bushings and bearings all the way down, which if the machine would have stayed here, then there would have been many defects, which would have affected the company's overall business.
My name is Willie Powell, and I'm the Senior Operations Manager at RPM. Marshall was chosen for the Duck Award because he found a defect with the tow bar machine pushing the bushing in. So what he did was Marshall was very consistent with leadership, kept coming to get an update on it, and he did not want to send any of those bad parts out to the production lines. So what we did was, by him being so persistent about it, when we had our maintenance team come down to fix it, they actually noticed that we had to replace the machine because of the defect. So Marshall went above and beyond, because once we got the new machine in, Marshall trained every new employee on that machine to make sure that they knew how to properly use it.
So, like a virus, it would create more of a issue, not only for the company itself, but the customers that acquired those potential defects. So they would have to bring back or email the company, and those customers would want a refund for that golf cart. In that moment, I'd say I felt surprised, but also overwhelmed at the same exact time, and surprised someone didn't get it beforehand.
By Marshall being the first recipient for RPM to receive the Duck Award, the team was very excited about it, because that shows them that what type of work we do down here is just not students actually going to school, but we do care about the products that we're building. And basically Marshall went up against any of the other employees that Rob shows oversee for Textron Specialized Vehicles. That includes Cartersville, Thief River Falls. It also includes the UK, Jacobson. So we just were very proud to have one of our students actually be selected for that.